Alright, so let's do this quick and easy. So I'm gonna show you guys my new song called Flowers together with Luke. She's an amazing singer from London. We worked together in this song a while ago, and I'm happy to release it. This is a new single from my upcoming album called Club Silencio, which will be out pretty soon. So yeah, let's dive into it. So for the intro, we have this. Really mellow. So, for the intro, you have Bossa Nova beat, which is pretty simple. Use a hi-hat, kick. I have a rim. I have a guido, cowbell, a ride, here. And I also have drum one shot. So it's pretty Latin, so this is what you have. And with the bass, you get the whole vibe in there. So pretty much I'm using a decapitator. An SSO EQ. So what else we have here? Oh yeah, my lovely Wurlitzer. I always use this in all my songs. In every single song. I love it to use, especially with pianos. I feel like a Wurlitzer, a piano, and a Rhodes, those three together, the sound is amazing. Okay, what else? Foley sounds in French. It's super low, so you're not supposed to hear it. Well, actually they were off. That's weird. So what else we have here? Well, I micro sampled tiny bits from Sympathy for the Devil by the Rolling Stones. Let's see what I have. So I'm just using the shouts. And also this. I mean, you're not supposed to hear it. It's just barely to add some depth. And the vocals. Which are pretty much one layer to a left, one to a right, one to the right, pitch 12 semitones up, and one down. just a regular house beat, 4 on the floor, and the bass. It's just very, very groovy. And you get the synths. Which is silent, pretty much. Not that much mystery. I also have this pad, it's called Soho pad. So I worked this song in a studio in Soho in London last year. So they had a prophet over there, so I helped myself and I used it, I've used it in this song a lot. So it's pretty much that. That's basically the main keyboard in this song. Also, I also have a sub reinforcing the bass. Just very simple. And you have ear candy sounds coming in. Like this. Also have this bell sound. More profit. This is going through an Echo Boy, EQ, and micro shift. So for the last chorus, we have coming in more profit. Mellotron and another profit layer that I call bleep bleep. One guitar on the left channel. Oh, so we have this MS-20 white noise going through an auto pan and phaser. This swelling sound going throughout the whole song. Also, we have this, which sadly didn't make it into the song, but I loved it a lot, this piano. And one harpsichord doing one layer. I love these two sounds a lot, but sadly I had to let them go and didn't make it into the final cut. I mean, sometimes it's like that. Not everything it's meant for your taste only. So, a part of one important thing for producing music, a part of adding sounds is also letting go sounds. You can't have everything in the production. You need to be really minimalistic. I mean, I'm trying to take that approach lately with all my songs, because a couple of years ago I used to just throw a lot of sounds, and the song gets too busy. And this one is really simple. I'm pretty much using a regular house beat, bass, Prophet, and one Wurlitzer. That's pretty much it. And I'm using as processing effects a lot of saturation and chorus and micro shift. And it's all on the groove. The bass is pretty much everything. Wow, hear the vocals.
I don't need applause, I already ate. Some crumbs off the floor, I want my seat, my place.
Which I'm using compressor, de-esser, reverb. Nothing too crazy. Same for the layer.
I don't need applause, I already ate.
And I grouped everything, and I'm EQing, more EQ.
I don't need applause, I already ate. Some crumbs off the floor, I want my seat, my place. Give me my flowers, it's time to pay. I don't need empathy, I don't need
micro shift. Sometimes I go against the rules and I just throw effects like delays and reverb on the inserts instead of return, which I also did, but just to add extra character. And everything is going to a bus, which I'm compressing, parallel compression. Same for the bass. Parallel compression. I'm slamming the bass. Whoa, more compressor. And a chorus. Same for the drums. I'm saturating. And I'm putting a compressor. And on my master channel you see that I have a lot of stuff, but they're off. I only have this. That's pretty much it. And for streaming this to you guys, I added 6 dB, because this was a minus 6 dB version, because this is the mix pre-master, because a song got mastered in Abbey Road. So just to be able to deliver it to you guys in a nice volume, I compensated with extra 6 dB. Also have a moog raising, fading up, fading in. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, this is the whole project. So go stream the song, guys. I had a lot of fun making this song. I had a lot of fun making this video. I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna show you in depth all my projects, ideas that I'm working at the moment, demos, and yeah, Looking forward to keep doing this a lot more. So see you guys in the next time.